Organizing or decluttering? What comes first? It's the eternal question. It's like the chicken and the egg. Do we organize first and then declutter, or do we declutter first and organize? To me, it makes sense to declutter first and then organize, but some people seem to think differently. Why do I approach things in the way I do? To me, it feels more logical to look at all the stuff that you've got and extract what's not useful, and then look at what's left and organize it in a way that fits the space. You could approach things from the other side, though. Sometimes there is a level of organization that needs to take place before you can make informed decisions about what to let go. A typical example would be to bring all the clothes together simply to see what doubles you have or which items you don't actually need because you've got 5 of them. That's the kind of thing you cannot do if you work room by room. So you could say, I go into room A, I take out all the clothes that I don't need, and then organize the rest inside that room. But that doesn't mean that the red sweater you see in room A isn't a duplicate of a red sweater you see in room B, C, D, and E as well. So in this case, bringing everything together, decluttering first and then organize makes perfect sense. However, if you only have one room, which is full of stuff, sometimes shifting the stuff around to get an idea, okay, this is all books, this is all DVDs, this is all clothes, this is all memorabilia, is a first step to then inform the decluttering process that ensues. And then there would be a second round of organizing back into the space. So, chicken and the egg. Personally, I prefer decluttering first for the simple reason that afterwards I only have to organize what's left over. I'm not going to organize something that ultimately will be taken out anyway. Maybe you want to make your mind up about how you want to approach things, and you'll find that depending on your situation, either approach might be preferable. Give it a go, stay clutter aware, and come back for more. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel, or select the playlist in the middle to see more content, or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.